Right.
Yeah, this house been sitting here for a minute, and they used to stay up in here with no electricity, no water, no nothing. And they condemned it. See all the stuff on the yard. This is me and Teddy Pram. Me and Teddy Pram on 4th Avenue. We are the security around here for 4th Avenue. We walking there. They screwing. They letting the people coming out in the neighborhood buy it up cheap, and then they supposed to fix it up, and they not doing anything. Look at these houses here. That's another one that's been condemned. That one condemned. That's the house Janice and them used to stay at. You got 3301, 3303. These houses are condemned. And this is not a game. This is not a game, people. They are buying our properties. They are buying these houses. This house right here got a flood going on inside. Yeah. This house right here. If your basement ain't nothing but water, you got a live-in pool in the basement. That's why they shut it down. That's right. But anyway, I'm just gonna shut it off. That's Teddy Pam doing her little documentary, and I want to put her on film because she's one of the community activists of 4th Avenue. And my name is Ronald Lewis. You got that right.
How can you let poor people
say it again, Teddy?
How can you let poor people live like this, and you getting thousands and thousands of dollars from these properties? But I have to afford building code.
Speak your mind, Teddy.
With what is that chick, Bonnie Pate Freeman?
Yeah.
With her dirty ass that started over 10 years ago.
Speak your mind.
Working with RCAP, we were trying to clean up the community.
I'm running out of film. I'm running out of film.
They jump on me.
All right, we're going to cut it off right now. We're going to cut it off right now. But yeah, they're going to cut it off through the alley. But we're going to cut it off now because I'm running out of film. All right, talk to you later. This is 4th Avenue, slumlord area. Come take care of this problem. Look at it. Look what you got there.